Gold prices have staged a turnaround in the domestic futures market, recovering sharply after an earlier crash today that triggered a lower circuit. In fact, silver too has recovered from the lower circuit now. Remember, gold prices had hit an intraday low of 1.37 lakh rupees per 10 grams, breaching the exchange's lower circuit in early trade. But the sell-off proved to be short-lived. Gold prices have recovered, now trading at 1.48 lakh rupees per 10 grams, mildly higher in trade. MCX silver futures had also slipped by almost 40,000 rupees or nearly 15% to hit a lower circuit, and the prices came crashing down to 2.25 lakh rupees per kilogram in the early trading session today. Right now, there has been some recovery. Even though the MCX silver is still down into the red, it's trading at around 2.5 lakh rupees per kilogram as well. Remember, there were 3 to 4 reasons why we had seen a sharp crash in both gold and silver prices over the last couple of sessions. One was US President Donald Trump's appointment of Kevin Walsh as the next US federal chair, and he is known to be an inflation hawk and is it seems that once he takes or assumes the charge, there will be a sharp reduction in the interest rates, thereby making financial assets more attractive vis-a-vis gold and silver. There has also been a lot of profit taking that has taken place, margin calls, etc., that have all impacted the sharp crash over the last couple of sessions. The big question is, what does this mild recovery in gold and silver indicate? Is the worst of gold and silver crash over? Well, while nobody can tell you the clear timing as to why and when you should be buying gold and silver, experts suggest that a clear asset allocation should be, a top priority at this point in time. Most of the experts do believe that the geopolitical tensions and the uncertainties we are grappled with will continue over the next few years, and therefore a 15 to 20% allocation in your investment portfolio should be to gold and silver, and one has to go by that indication and rather than looking at the prices right now.